Okay, so as the title says, a $20 motion decoy. And I'll break it down how first I'm going to accomplish this $20 motion decoy. So the brand Lucky Duck has a product, as you'll see. It is like kind of a vibrating disc that just shakes in the water and makes ripple. Okay, so what I've done, you can find them on eBay, it's called a Lucky Duck Quiver HD. That's the bottom of it. Okay, it's gray. That's the top of it. Lucky Duck Quiver HD. So you find them on eBay, free shipping. Use it for about 15 bucks. Okay, super cheap. They take 4 AA batteries. I've used it till hunting just purely as the disc. I drop it in the water, weighted, and I'll tell you, with all my decoys, I actually use tire weights, just big, heavy-duty tire weights. You can get them from a tire shop for free, so you don't have to go buy, weights. And I just use a good 20-pound, 30-pound test line, and I'll set it at my depth, and it sits there and it vibrates. So I've used it just like that before. Shot some till over it on a real still day. Water's real still. Just have a little bit of vibration on the water. Of course, helps all your decoys around the quiver, vibrate a little bit. Okay, it gives them a little bit of movement. So my thought was, I wonder if I could mount this on the bottom of a decoy. Hence the name $20 motion decoy. This decoy right here is an Avian X decoy. And when I say $20, okay, I bought 12 of these for 35 bucks. You look around, you can find a nice set of decoys pretty cheap. So I sacrificed one decoy to make it an automated quivering mallard hen. And the reason I chose a hen over a drake is because when I'm teal hunting, I actually don't have teal decoys. I use mallard hens. So I would be able to use this for any time of the year for me to hunt. I'm just always going to have a quivering hen. And I also have 2 spinners, which I suggest you get. That Lucky Duck makes some actual spinners. They're awesome. You'll watch ducks hook down on them, but this is just a little bit to add something to the water, which I have in the water demonstration I'm going to show you here soon. Okay, but just to tell you how I did it. Okay, so on a normal decoy, you're going to have the counterbalance down here, but if you cut it real flush to the base of this decoy, the casting of the plastic actually keeps it sealed, so I don't actually have to worry about the decoy itself absorbing water. How did I mount this cap? That's all it is. This is the quiver cap. How did I mount this cap on this duck? What I did, I drilled 2 holes, actually put 2, it's really sheetrock screws in there, but I also put E3000 sealant all over this top of this cap before I seated it on there and put my sheetrock screws in. Okay, squished it, made a real good seal. I even have some excess around the edges that I smoothed out with my finger, so there shouldn't be any water that gets in there. But say there did, I put a little bit of silicone inside, right around my screw heads, so it doesn't matter if there's water splashing up in this thing or not. Hey, it's gonna be sealed. So all you do after that, screw this on. Hey, turn it on. See that? Got me a automated $20 duck. That baby's dancing. And you'll see here in a second, of course, the day I want to do a test, it's going to be windy. And like I said earlier, the best days for a motion decoy would be on a non-windy day because you want some movement. But when I put this thing in the water, I mean, it was moving around. It was, moving in circles, looking pretty decent. One thing I would do in the field, as you'll see, when it sits in the water, it sits a little bit cocks, a little bit like that, which I don't think will be a problem when ducks are looking for aerial view. But the water I put it in was only about that deep. So what I would do is I would adjust this shallower. It would pull down on it more, and it would keep it from being cockside. So you understand, that's how I would do it when I'm actually going to take it hunting. But you'll see in the demonstration, I think it looks pretty good for $20. I'm probably going to fab up a few of these things and see what I can do. Appreciate you watching. All right. Okay, we're down here to test out the $20 motion decoy. All right, ready to go. You can see in this water, got some beautiful, little bit of coontail, beautiful little marsh down here. Really nice, really pretty area. Okay, so here's a little motion decoy. All right, see, okay, I got a little tire weight. You can see down there, little tire weight. So We turn it on. Let's see how the ripples look. Step back. Okay, from far off, you can see it's got some vibrations going. The old duck's moving around a little bit. Let's see if it'll stabilize a little bit. It almost looks like I need to weigh it down just a bit to make it seat. But overall, it's moving around pretty good. You know, you can see it. We got some wind blowing this way, but you know, from an aerial view of a duck flying, you know, I don't think that gray would mess them up. It looks pretty good, moving around, putting some ripple on the water, and really, you know, on a real still day is when you need motion decoys most. I mean, you look at it right now. I got a wind blowing to me. If I got decoys out here, they're gonna be moving on the, you know, by themselves. So, of course, today I wanted to test this. It's gonna be a nice windy day, but I mean, as you can see, for 20 bucks, it's put some pretty good ripple off, and there it is, full time.